2 degree polynomial. 2 degree. 2 degree. 2 degree means how much solution will be there? 2 solution will be there. 2 solution. Linear equation, how much solution? 1 solution. Okay. 0 degree, how much solution? 0 solution. No solution. Okay. 2 degree, how much solution? 2 solution. How much? What will be the power of that? Highest power will be the 2. Highest power will be the 2. Another name for this is also given quadratic equation. Because of quadratic equation, if we written in that, then it is comes to 2 again, 2 only. Next it is coming, we can write in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the 2 degree equation. What is that? 2 degree, or the standard form of the quadratic equation. 2 degree equation it is. 2 degree polynomial. 2 degree polynomial. What is the standard form of the 2 degree polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation also. Where the power comes to, wherever power comes to, that is called the quadratic also. Here, quad means 4. Actually, quadratic means 4. But 4 it will become then again 2 only considered for your purpose. Your purpose. Okay, I am using what? For up to the SSLC. Not higher. So this is the, I can give the example, we can give the example, what we can write it. This is all are one variable, only one variable. Pi x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Like that. It is the, how much degree is there? 2 degree. How much degree is there in that? 2 degree. How much solution it has? We will find the solution, then how much solution will come in that? X value will come 2. That is called the root also, that is called the zeros also, and that is called the solution also. Okay, next we are going another 3 degree polynomials. 3 degree. 3 degree. 3 degree polynomial, how much solution it will come there? 3 solutions. 3 solution will be there, and in that 3 solutions. In that, the general form will be the like that: ax the power 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. This is called the standard form. This is called the standard form of the 3 degree polynomials. What is the standard form of the 3 degree polynomials? Ax the power 3
bx power
plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. This is the 3 degree. How much solution will be there in that? 3 solution. Now up to you means up to the SSLC Karnataka board, in that only the quadratic equation 2 degree only it is asking. 3 degree not asking. Okay, because of that is our syllabus. Up to there only your syllabus. Okay, now we are going to the your side now, exercise side moving. I hope basic okay? Understand? Now here it is called the zeros, or how to find the answer. How to find the answer here. So first, what are the names coming here?
Sir, example.
Already I spoke to you. If the linear equation, one solution. Okay, quadratic equation or the 2 degree equation, how much solution will be there? 2 solution. Cubic equation, how much solution will be there? 3 solution. 3 solution will be there. So according to your syllabus, only the quadratic equation given. Only the quadratic equation. So it is the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. In that, this is the a value. Something what written, this is the a value. This is the whatever number written here, that is the b value and c value. So I can write it like this: ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Can write or not? Can write or not? Now what is this values? This suppose that we are taking it as the numbers. Sometimes it is written as alpha and beta. What written? Alpha. Sometimes it is written m and n. Any number taken. Sometimes it is written p and q. P and q. Like that we done the linear equation. Here directly I am writing the formula. Okay. It can be derivated also next. So what is the relationship between this? If it is form comes like this, then what is the relationship in that? alpha plus beta. What I spoke this one? This is what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is that? Minus b by a. Minus b by a. Next coming this one, this number. What is this? Total multiplication. This is multiplication. In 9th standard already you read that how to find the value of x by the splitting method. Did you know? Do you know? So this is the alpha and beta. This is the multiplication. Alpha and beta. What I call this one? Alpha plus beta. Another name zeros. Zeros of that. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by A. What? C by A. This is the your formula that we are going to find the answer. Write everybody once. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by a. What is a? Whatever the b written near the x square. Near the coefficient of x square is called the a. The coefficient of x called the b, and c is the multiplication of the alpha and beta. What is alpha beta? Zeros. What is that? Zeros. Now we are taking one example of your exercise question 1. Okay, in that 9.2 in that it will be the 2.2 polynomials. In NCERT CBSE syllabus it will come the 2.2. Here it will become the 9.2. Okay, because of both portion is going together here. I am writing a one question in that. First read the question. What is written question?
X square minus 2x minus
Find the zeros of following.
One member together or member not? One member. Exercise 9.2 question number 1. First main unit.
Find
What is
the
the
zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients.
Okay, first you have to find the zeros of the polynomial, then you are going to find the relationship between that numbers. So first one question. Okay, say me the question.
X square plus 2x.
Huh? X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the given polynomial. This is given polynomial. We have to find the first what is the answer first. Means what is the zeros. What we have to keep behalf of x. What we should keep behalf of x. The answer will come 0. Answer should come 0. So that it is called the 0 of the polynomial also. Okay. So now we are finding according to the 9th standard method, that is called the splitting method. What called? Splitting method. Because of it is called verify the relationship also. Now first and last term multiply. What have to do? Multiply. What have to do? Multiply. So what will get? Minus 8x square. What we got? Minus 8x square. We multiplied it. Now we have to break that into two parts. Such two parts that the middle term, what is the value of b? Minus 2x. So this 2x minus along with sign. Along with sign. So this number we have to break in such two parts. If we multiply them, we should break this minus 8x square in such two parts. If it is multiplied, then it gives the minus 8x square. If we add or subtract, then it gives the minus 2x. Now, so that what we have to do, we have to find the factor. We have to find the factor. Which number?
4x.
Which are the numbers here? Which number gives the 8? First one. 1 into 8 gives the 8. Then 2 into 4 gives the 8. Then 3 notes coming. Then 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now see, the numbers repeats. Number? See, 2 into 4, otherwise 4 into 2. So means answer in the 3 only. Answer where will be in the answer? In 3 any answer will be there. What I told, we have to find the two terms such that if we multiply them, we should get the minus 8x square. If we add or subtract, then we'll get the minus 2. Now we are finding which are the two. We got in that answer only. But which is correct? That we are going to find. Suppose at first I am doing the, here is a minus. Here is the minus. Means any number will be the minus. Any number will be the
Minus.
so that suppose example I written minus here. So what become 8 minus 1 what will become 7 only. It is to become 8 minus 8. But what we got if we add minus 1 plus 8 is equal to 7. We not get this one. Means this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong. Suppose that I kept the here minus 2 and here it will come minus 8. Anywhere I am keeping. Suddenly keep it. Suppose immediately sudden. So I can do it like see. My 4 and 4 minus 2 is equal to what? Plus 2 will come. Plus 2 will come means we have to change the sign. We have to change the sign. So here what is sign? That sign. Listen now. Whatever the sign here, greater number sign takes that only. This is the trick here. Whatever the sign written, greater number sign you have to keep same sign. So already you know which is the greater in that. What is the 4 in that greater? 4. So your sign will come here minus 4 and here will come the plus 2. Understand? What you understand? Whatever the sign here, that sign greater number goes. That sign goes to greater number. So here x is written. I can write x. Because of multiplying we can get it. Understand this one? Understand? So, okay. So we are moving to the next. The half of that. Now, first again listen. First term and last term we are multiplied. After that we written like this. Then we find the such two numbers that we multiply or add. Then we get the minus 2. We find the numbers. Also, now behalf of that x square. Now behalf of this number, b value. Behalf of this b value, I will write this 2 number. I write this 2 number. So minus 4x plus 2x plus minus 8 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Shall I erase it? Understand this one? Now how many terms become? 4 terms. How many terms become?
4 terms.
So you have to take the common in the two terms. So these are the 2 terms and these are the 2 terms. Okay? In that what is the common? Common means what is the similar. By what number it can be the divisible and what is the HCF of that number. This is the meaning of common. Common means what? What is the similar. By what number it can be divided. Otherwise, what is the HCF of these 2 numbers. That is meaning the common. So what is the common in that? What is the similar? X. What is the common? X. Taken. Means x is square divided by x. What will be? This x is called the base. What called this? Base. And this is called the power. This is called the power and exponent. Power or exponent. When the base are the same. I am speaking. When the base are the same, then in the division, when the base are the same, in the division, power are subtracted. See here. X square divided by x. X means nothing, it means 1. Base are same. Then in division, what will happen? Power are subtracted. 2 minus 1. So minus 1 is what? 1. And x the power 1. 1 we are not writing. Okay, so what is the answer will come? X. What will answer? X. So what I will write inside the bracket? X. Then what is the sign?
Minus.
4x divided by x. X cancel. What remaining? 4. Okay. Next sign what? What is the next sign? Plus. What is the same? In that? Common is the 2. What will come? Here x remaining. Minus 4 is equal to what? 0. Now another thing. For you purpose only. If it is same, then only correct. Otherwise wrong. For you. Not for higher. Okay. Now what is the same in that? What is the main common? X minus 4 is the main common. Then what is the remaining? Here remaining x. Here remaining plus 2. Is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Now we are finding the x value. So written x minus 4 is equal to 0. Beside written x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? This is one side written, this is 1 plus written, equal to 0. Maybe in that what is the meaning? Maybe this is 0, then this also multiply, then 0 will come. If this is 0, then multiply by this, then this will become 0. Understand? What happens? In that, again we are doing transposing. What we are doing?
Transposing.
This number will go that side, what will become? Plus 4. So this is one answer you got. This side, x, this number goes that side, then what will become? Minus 2. So there are the two answers we got. What are that? 4 and 2. 4 and minus 2. 4 and minus 2. Understand this much? Right.